Hey everyone, Cody here, and this is video number 12 in the How to Build a Builderall website series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add a call to action button to the website. So first of all, under the home page in Builderall, go ahead and choose the Cheetah Website Builder, click Enter. And we're still working on our animal rescue website, click Edit. So we want to place our button on our home page, click Edit Page. Okay, and we're going to be creating this button right here. So first of all, let's go ahead and just delete this. Yes, delete. I'm going to click on our box here. I want to click it and add an element, and we're going to add a button right here. Scroll down, and I want to choose this green one. So we just put that there. Okay, and I'm going to set this down a little bit. Okay, click the button, and what we're going to do now is we're going to choose a size. We can choose how big or how small it's going to be. That size right there is perfect. We can also choose the height. Just make it, round or oval. Okay, clicking off that, we can choose a maximum on tablet. 500 is fine for now. And now general colors are our colors. So what I want to do first is I want to choose a blue color to match the website. There's this one right here. There we go. And we're going to keep hover effect on. So background color hover. Let's see. Let's choose that same blue. Actually, let's choose a white. Okay. The hover text, we're going to choose that same blue if we can, or somewhere near it. So click here. There we go. Okay. Okay, we're going to close the general colors. Border, you can choose the border size and the border color and border shape. For now, I'm just going to leave that as is. You can also do a round border. You can choose, maybe you want a square on one side, as you can see. Makes a little effect there. Okay. Let's go back to border. Choose this. And we want this stacked to 900. All right, as you can see, it turned the button round again. Now the headline is our text, so we want to choose set appointment, and let's choose we can choose our font. Let's choose that all black, and our size as well. We can go ahead and make that go up with that big, and we can choose our color as well. So we want our font. Let's say we want it white, so it's easy to read. Okay, and close the headline. Subheadline, we can choose a subheadline text, but for this, we don't want to do that. Also choose a shadow. Shadow appears in the bottom, so we can choose, how big the shadow. Right now, there's no shadow, but we can choose maybe that one. We can also choose a color. All right. And also, we can choose animations. I don't want to choose an animation, but we can choose bounce, flash, pulse. It's probably good to just to experiment yourself and to see. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with that button as it is. Go ahead and click the save. That's fine. And close. Now what we want to do is we want to set the action for this button. So when they click, where do we want to take them to? So we click the button. And over here under Set Link, I want to click that. And if you want to take them out of your website, you can click a custom URL and then open in a new tab. But we want to take them to our booking page. So we want to click Page, and I already created one in the last video, Schedule an Appointment. Click that, and you want it to open in the same tab. It's just staying on our website. So click Select. Now we want to click Save again. That's fine. Close. Just go to save one more time just in case. That's fine. And this time, instead of closing it, we want to go to the website. So click Go to Website. As you can see, when we hover over our button now, the colors change from white text, blue background, to white background, blue text. And when we click it, it takes us to our Schedule the Appointment app. And as you can see, like in the previous video, we showed you how to do this. And they can set an appointment. So that's it for this video. It was a short one. So I appreciate taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And if you have any questions or comments, or would like to see me do a particular tutorial video on Builderall, you can go ahead and put your comment down in the comment section below. Also, if you would like a $1 30-day trial to Builderall, I have my affiliate link in the description down below. Thanks again for watching the video. Take care. Have a great day.